Guys, my name is Gabriel. Welcome to my channel. Guys, I don't think you can watch BBC Kids, but I I watched a news and they say the broadcast of BBC Kids has gonna end. It's like now 23:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Too close to December 31, right? So let's watch some BBC Kids.
Hey guys.
Cartoons and comedy on BBC
Hang on
Kids.
there.
Nobody move. Who's that? She's not your average schoolgirl. She's Atomic Betty reporting for duty, saving the universe from the evil Maximus IQ.
Time to play these ridiculous games. I'm trying to take over the universe.
It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it.
I hope no one is looking at my hair.
We want you to watch it again.
Atomic Betty, weekdays at 4 on BBC Kids. Family time funny. Tastefully funny. Accidentally funny.
Oh,
Oddly funny.
take it.
What's so funny? Cartoons and comedy
That guy's so loud. He comments.
on BBC Kids. Funny. Mr. Bean is a wacky kind of guy. He makes mistakes that turn into hilarious adventures.
Yum.
But he always saves the day in his own funny way. Mr. Bean, the animated series. Weekdays at 5 on BBC Kids.
I like Mr. Bean.
What's happening with BBC Kids?
I know that shut down BBC Kids.
We enjoy sharing adventures. Laughter. And learning. With you, our wonderful viewers. But the time has come for the BBC Kids channel to say goodbye. As we end our broadcast on December 31st.
I know. We're gonna shut down. It's because of Earl or something. I don't know.
What's so funny? Cartoons and comedy on BBC Kids. Playfully funny.
Oh,
Painfully funny. What's so funny? Cartoons and comedy on BBC Kids.
I like this cartoon. Show the sheep. Again.
Happening with BBC Kids.
I know. Can you shut down?
Enjoy sharing adventures. Laughter. And learning. With you, our wonderful viewers. But the time has come for the BBC Kids channel to
3, 2,
broadcast on December 30th.
1, go! Look, the BBC Kids channel is no longer available. Thanks for watching. I know that. And station available. This channel is currently unavailable and should be restarted shortly. Thanks for your patience. No problem. You're welcome.
Please stand by for this important message.
Why? Okay. What? Turn off your TV right now. This is a statewide emergency. I think it is?
Please turn off your TV immediately. This is a statewide emergency. BBC Kids has ceased broadcasting as of December 31st, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I repeat, please turn off your TV immediately. This is a statewide emergency. BBC Kids has ceased broadcasting as of December 31st, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Should I turn off my TV? This is the button. What I do? Ah! Phew. That was too close. Pretty great, right? Yeah. But I think so. It's literally not. It's really nice. Bro, what? What the hell? I think so. Go to sleep. Or else. Gotcha. Oh, she stopped it. Bro, what is happening to my TV? Bro, what has happened? Ah! That's scaring me. I can control the volume, but the channel cannot. I'm gonna call detect.
Gravata. Mas a gente vai jantar, hein, Gabriel?
Guys, this isn't funny anymore.
What if there's another way? Another way to connect?
We say that.
Another way to...
He turned off. I can Nothing's happening anymore.